And if you're living with IBD, IBS, fatigue, brain fog, maybe sluggish digestion or chronic health concerns, then this episode could change the game for you. But I think a lot of the time it's because they perhaps don't actually realise how important it is, considering every single cell in our body is made up of protein, and for cellular repair it's even shops kind of skimp on it because it's the most expensive ingredient to stock and to include. And this is where it comes back to having, during that chapter anyway of your healing journey, I know we've spoken about this before, but changing your protein source if you are struggling to digest things like red meat is fine for that chapter, whilst you spend the time healing your bowel and eating protein sources that are much more easy to digest. Exactly, because in reality, protein is so crucial for gut repair, things like brain function, things like digestion, things like immunity, and especially in patients that have IBD or IBS or chronic illness.
Yeah, obviously protein being the kind of building blocks, as you mentioned, of our cells. Anything that's regenerating and renewing is going to be dependent on protein intake.